Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make pepper beef with broccoli in the pressure cooker. I'm going to be demonstrating that in my GeekChef electric pressure cooker. You'll find all the ingredients for the recipe in the description box. Please subscribe for new uploads on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. And please follow me on social media, and we're going to begin with today's demo. So I'm doing this in my GeekChef pressure cooker, and I'm starting on saute function at 390 degrees. And I have my sesame oil. It's already, my pressure cooker is already hot. This is going to be a really easy recipe. So I'm going to throw in my large white onion. I love onions, so I use a very large white onion. I'm going to just break everything up here. Gonna have some ginger and some fresh ground chopped ginger, and then I have here some minced garlic. And give that a stir. Then I have some beef here that I sliced very thin. This is chuck. And let's put that in. And we're going to add the remaining ingredients except for the cornstarch. If you add the cornstarch now, you're going to be sorry, because it's not going to, your pressure cooker is not going to come to pressure. So that's the ingredients we're going to add here. I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce. Here's some fish sauce. Rice wine vinegar. Excuse me, that's rice vinegar, not rice wine vinegar. Beef stock. I'm gonna give everything a stir. And also I got some brown sugar. I'm gonna quick mix together. Gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, and if you want to use low sodium gluten-free soy sauce, you can, and that would make this gluten-free. You use all gluten-free ingredients. So next I'm going to just put the lid on with the valve closed. But before I do, I'm going to set the pressure cooker. So I'm going to cook this on the meat stew function for 15 minutes. So cooking on the meat stew function, and I'm going to put my lid on and then close the valve. And we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's done. I released all the pressure, and we're going to go ahead and open it up and see how everything's looking. It smells amazing. Can't wait to open it. Okay, it looks like everything is cooked down a lot. Okay, next what I'm going to do is we're going to put this on saute function. So hit the cancel, and then we're going to hit saute. We're going to change the temp to the highest setting, which is 390 on my GeekChef. So bring this to a boil and be back. So everything's came back to a boil, and what I'm going to do is add my red bell pepper, and I'm adding the bell pepper last because I didn't want my bell pepper to be too soft. I still want to have a little bit of texture. And then I have my water, and I'm adding my cornstarch to it. I'm gonna whisk it together. Whisk the two, the water and the cornstarch. This is what thickens everything. And I use cold water. I'm gonna add just half of this cornstarch slurry. Mix it. I'm going to let this cook for just a minute and see how much it thickens up. So I think I'm going to add the remaining of that cornstarch slurry. Yeah, I'm going to add the remaining of it. It's just a little bit more. So after adding that cornstarch slurry, give everything a mix. I have my broccoli. I cut the tops off of fresh broccoli. I'm gonna add all that broccoli. I'm gonna give everything a stir. Everything smells so delicious. It smells wonderful. I can't wait to dig into this. This is such an easy meal. I just want to throw an easy pressure cooker meal together. It's perfect for nights when you have kids or back to school and you need something that's quick and easy and healthy and delicious. So this is it. So I'm got everything mixed together, and I'm going to cover this. I'm going to let this cook for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. I'm not going to mess with the temperature, but I just want the broccoli to become a deeper green, and that's a good indication that it's cooked, but it's not going to be mushy. So it's been 2 minutes, and after about 30 seconds or so, I did open the pot and give everything a stir. So everything is done. So I'm going to plate this and let you guys see what it looks like. So here's everything. This is in my serving dish, but I wanted to just let you guys see what it looks like. I'm gonna fix some and taste. So if you want to, you can serve this with rice as I did, or you can just have this as a main dish without any starch. It'll be a carb-free, healthy meal without it. So it smells amazing. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and share this video and add it to your playlist if you enjoyed today's recipe. And keep in mind, I do have a schedule change coming. I think that Saturday might be my official new day. So Monday, Thursday, Saturday would be the new schedule. I'll keep you guys posted. So I'm gonna taste this. And see, we put the peppers in last because we didn't want it to become mushy. So our main thing is gonna taste the beef. Delicious, super easy to make. Guys, it's tender. It only took 15 minutes in my GeekChef. This is such an easy meal, guys. Delicious. Please try this recipe. You'll have a meal on the table in no time. I've been asked about the GeekChef pressure cooker. To learn more about it, please check the description box because it is an amazing pressure cooker. I have many pressure cookers. I've tried different ones. I have a Tovia right now that I don't even use. It's a GeekChef. I love the GeekChef. It's wonderful. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love one another. Thank you so much for watching and support.